Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you are one of those people that your skin is giving you a very huge concern, please watch this video and I'll be showing you the things you can do at home that can help transform your skin. Like if your skin is not skinning, you need to watch this video, okay? You know summer is around the corner, so you don't want to be caught on fresh. You don't want to be caught on fresh, okay? So I'll be showing you the things you can do at home that can help transform your skin. If you are one of those people that stresses a lot, like your daily activity stresses you a lot, please watch this video because stress has a way of making you look older. Yes, if you are 20 and you're stressing a lot, you will be looking like 50. It's not even a joke. It's not even a joke. Science has proven that too much stress can make someone look older, okay? But in today's video, I'll be showing you the things you can do at home that can help reverse the signs of premature aging on your skin. If you've started developing wrinkles, like there's wrinkles on your face and fine lines, watch this video and I'll be showing you how you can use avocado pear to get rid of all that, how you can use avocado pear to reverse the signs of early premature aging on your skin. So without much thought guys, let's get right into it. So guys, to make the treatment you will need clean plate and a spoon. Then you also go ahead and get your Quaker oat. This is the one I'll be using. If you have the one that is in a powdered form, you can also make use of that, but this one is what I will be using. So go ahead and take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oatmeal and add it into the plate. Do you know that as you age, your oxygen levels decreases? Yes, your oxygen level decreases with age, which contributes to skin damage and aging. So as you're aging, your oxygen level decreases and it also affects your skin. That's why you start developing wrinkles. Even though stress also contributes to your skin developing wrinkles at young stage, decrease in oxygen level is also one of the things that causes fast aging and the wrinkle development. So as you can see in this video, I went ahead and I added milk. I added fresh milk because fresh milk is also beneficial to the skin. It also helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to improve your skin texture and the elasticity of your skin. Now go ahead and get your avocado. Go ahead and make use of the one that is ripe. Now you start cutting it. Just cut it into half. You might not be using all of them because we don't need much. Because this treatment, you don't need to make a lot. Just make small amounts of this treatment, the one you can finish within 2 days. So you can cut the avocado and keep the rest. Whenever you want to make another one, you can make use of it. So I'll be adding only half of it. This half is enough. This avocado is so rich and tasty. I couldn't resist, so I tested it. I couldn't resist, guys. So now you go ahead and start blending it, guys. So we'll be making use of this avocado because avocado intensely hydrates the skin. Avocado is predominantly made up of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid. It also helps to protect your skin from free radicals. It also helps decrease aging signs. It also helps to increase your skin elasticity. It helps to reduce dark spots. If I continue to list the skin benefits of avocado, this video might not stop, okay? Avocado is packed with a lot of nutrients that is beneficial to your skin. That's why you have to use avocado in your everyday life. If you are not eating it, you should be applying it on your skin. So after adding it, I now go ahead and blend it very well. What I'm using as liquid in blending is the fresh milk I added to it. If you don't want to use fresh milk, the next option you can use is natural yogurt. You can use natural yogurt instead of fresh milk. Both work the same, okay? So after blending it, as you can see, it's all smooth and it's ready to be used. So now I will go ahead and transfer it into the plate. Like I said, guys, if you apply this mask on your face, if you apply it on your face religiously for 3 weeks, you will begin to see great changes. If you're the kind of person that stresses a lot, and because you stress a lot, you started developing wrinkles and fine lines, even though you are not advanced in age, try this and this will help to diminish the signs of those wrinkles and fine lines. This face mask is very effective. It helps to hydrate your skin. It helps to smoothen your skin. It helps to brighten your skin and increase your skin elasticity. This is the main deal. This is a powerhouse. This, I can't even say it all. Just go ahead and add it into the plate, and this is how you use it. Once you put it into the plate, you go ahead and wash your face And after washing your face, you go ahead and apply it generously on your face. After applying it on your face, you have to wait for about 30 to 35 minutes for it to dry up. And once it dries up, guys, then you go ahead and wash it out. Like I said, this treatment is something you can use every day. And if you can use it every day, within 3 weeks, you will begin to see the difference in your skin. Maybe before you should start using it, you have to take a picture of your skin and come back after 3 weeks to look your skin and see the changes, to see the difference. Okay, so go ahead and apply it on your skin. Did you see how milky it is? Did you see how it's looking? This is how it's going to transform your skin, make you achieve that glowy and the flawless skin. So you can apply it this way without adding any other thing, but you can also go ahead and add honey into it. Get a raw honey, add raw honey into it. This will help if you have acne prone skin or you have a very dry skin. Adding honey into it will help a lot. It will help to hydrate your skin. It will also help to moisturize your skin. So go ahead and add your raw honey into it, and after mixing it, you can apply it. If you don't have honey, you can also make use of it without adding the honey. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use avocado pear to improve your skin, revive and rejuvenate your skin. This is a very powerful ingredient that will help to enhance your skin. So guys, this is how you can prepare it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Bye.